Hello, folks. Richard Fontenay here. Now, before we get started, I'd like to introduce you to my internet coaches, Fergal Downs, Trevor Carr, and Max Gerstenmaier, three very accomplished internet marketers in their own right. And they will work with you to help build your online income up to $10,000 a month, and they won't leave you until you actually achieve $10,000 a month. Now, this is a massive opportunity for you folks. So if you're interested, make sure you click that first link in the description below. Now let's get on with my review. You can grab the product in the second link in the description at any point during this video. And when you do, I will give you my 5-star bonuses. Bonus number 1 is a PLR document, and it explains how you can drive traffic after you purchase PLR. It shows you how to modify and make PLR your own using tried and true strategies and techniques. Bonus number 2 shows you how to supercharge your online business with free traffic up to 270,000, I believe, traffic so that you can make money online. Bonus number 3 shows you how to act as a middleman on Fiverr, so that when you get an order for a high value gig, as an example, you can buy it on Fiverr at a lower price and then sell it to your buyer at a much higher price. Bonus number 4 shows you how to create a passive income. And this is crucial. It's not any ordinary passive income. It is recurring passive income, and that's important. And bonus number 5 shows you how to supercharge your results with an evolutionary system, letting you earn up to $186 in just 3 simple steps, while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. Now let's move on. The vendor of Future of Fun is Jason Oyeko, and he's a Canadian who has a growing following on Warrior Plus, and so far has made over 7,500 sales. He primarily produces PLR ebooks, and he has a dealership called the PLR Dealer, which I will mention later on. In a nutshell, this is a brand new PLR ebook, and it uncovers how to easily craft children's coloring books with the power of AI assistance. So you can redefine the way you approach creating children's coloring books in the era of artificial intelligence. Now, here's some things you should know about this product. It has over 6,700 word ebook that you can sell. It's a ready-made sales page and a thank you page. It has professionally produced image graphics. It has a promotional banner, images, and it has an editable source files, rebandable PLR rights, all included, and you can download it instantly. And it covers a number of things. It covers how to harness the power of AI so that you can leverage the incredible capabilities of artificial intelligence to generate themes and characters and scenes and so on. It shows you how to craft vibrant illustrations. So it takes a deep dive into the art of illustration and discover practical techniques for designing a vibrant and engaging artwork. It shows you how to create interactive experiences so that you can elevate your coloring books to new heights of interactivity and engagement with the help of AI-driven interactive features and personalized experiences. And there's another element, which is called navigating the ethical considerations. So it explores the ethical implications and future trends shaping the landscape of AI-driven content creation. Four very important elements within this ebook. The sales funnel looks like this. The front end is only $8.02, but it increases as sales increase. And you'll have the opportunity to upgrade your purchase with unrestricted PLR to this offer. And that has no limits. And that's for $17.07. And you will also have a trial offer for the PLR Dealer Elite membership that I mentioned earlier, which pays reoccurring commissions every single month your customers remain members. And there's an introductory offer of $2.99. Another upsell includes 22 to 24 PLR lead magnets for a little over $48. And additionally, there is an upsell bundle for all of Jason's previous lead magnet packages starting in 2023. And that will help increase your EPCs. And that's for $48.27. Now, if you need to know more, you can click that second link below and get the full story. And before I go, make sure you click on that first link. So that shows you how to earn $10,000 a month. And my 5 bonuses, because they show you how to supercharge your online e-business and get access to a ton of free traffic. They show you how to buy services from Fiverr and pocket the difference. They show you how to gain recurring income online easily. And they show you how to earn daily income using 3 simple steps while only spending 15 minutes a day to run the entire system. And it also shows you how to drive traffic after you purchase a PLR product. Now, thank you for watching, folks, and please consider this product as well as the $10,000 a month opportunity. Bye for now. See you next time.